Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm making a video and brain video. I'm really showing you guys how to make money easy, fast, and quick. So right now I'm just gonna be swiping a bunch of times. And yeah, so first things first is you want to get these maxed out as possible as you can. This one and the bottom one. And that's gonna get your acceleration up more quickly. Okay? Then you're gonna want to go home. Settings. You want to head to general. You want to head to date and time. Then you want to turn this off, and you want to head back at least 2 days. Head forward 2 days, and then you're gonna want to head back to your load in ADK. Collect it, and then you might want to head back and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna head all the way over here. Mighty Phil, $4.8 million. Come upgrade this. Sorry for that, but you can get back in here. Watch days. Back. Collect the money. I'll turn this on airplane mode so you don't get any ads as well. And then yeah, get the point. And then here's your date and time back by just clicking this. And here's the date, March 23rd, 2000. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please like, please subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace out.